Hello guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's the Wednesday, October the 11th, 2023. Already solved one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku, and the second one I will solve in a minute. And I want to mention in this newspaper we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. Half of them, 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, it's war day number 595. 595 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. And for the second time maybe we have also another war in Israel. So, well, I don't think there won't be happy anything. Well, I think there will be a lot of happens in the world with 2 wars. Well, 2 wars. Anyway, number 7251. 7251, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has I believe 20. I've already counted 20 printed digits, and it's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 by 11 a jigsaw Sudoku, and this one is a little bit bigger than larger than the one in the additional. In the additional, it's 8 by 11. This one 9 by 11. But there's 20 printed digits, so I think it's a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Or boxes, because the single box is always a 1. Here a single box, there a single box, here and there. Single box is always a 1. Here 1, there 1, here 1, and there 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. More dual boxes here? No. Next question, do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes. Quadra boxes then. See here, a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be here. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And then other numbers could be everywhere. Here the same. We have a 4 here. So these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. And other numbers could be everywhere. Alright. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes here. Another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More? No, only 2 of them. Then the next shape we have here. Next shape. Let me draw this shape here then. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Why? Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Upside down here, upside down. Okay, let me draw this shape here. when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These are 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. These are 3 boxes. So round a 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These are 3 boxes. So round 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 1. We already have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box can be 2. This box can be 3. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes, round a 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left, yes, in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be here. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. Alright. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be here. Then let me see. Yeah. Alright. This box can be a 4. So no. Let me finish here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 here. That means that this box can be 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 5 in this area should be there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and a 1. But we already have a 1 there. So it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. And I've eliminated the 1 there. So the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Alright. And then I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. And cannot be a 5. So yeah, definitely a 1. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. Then these two boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Alright. Then these two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 here. 2 should be there. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 5. 2 and a 3. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then, let me see. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Alright. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a no. Don't think. This box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Alright. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. Let me mark those. Cannot fill this yet. Then this box can be 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area. For number 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, 14 minutes. Told you should be a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, have a great and fantastic Wednesday. See you then. Bye-bye for now.